Alright guys, today we're going to talk about the simplest way to connect your cabin or your house for off-grid power. You have to calculate how much watts or voltage you're going to need to use and determine how much panels you need. So I had three panels at first, but I add a fourth panel for like when it's cloudy and overcast. I could still get sufficient charge for the EcoFlow Pro for my solar cabin. All right, so I got my two panels here. Two panels are connected in series, and then when you get to there, I connect in parallel. I'll show you right now. You see me? So you come on here, as you can see, connected in series right here. Two panels are connected in series. Then these other two over here, also just jump them, connect them in series, and then the other two ends come in this combiner here. They all join here. Those two panels are joined to this, and then two wires go inside my cabin. Right inside the cabin, come down, plug right into the back of the EcoFlow Pro right here. Okay, and then from the EcoFlow Pro, I connected it to the 15 amp plug and out all the way up to my breaker box right here, and then connected to the breaker, from the breaker out to your switches and your outlets. So nothing hard, very simple. As you can see, I got the Starlink modem hooked up right there, and it's plugged into this outlet. I'm gonna put a TV on this wall, so that's why I got an outlet up here, and it also works for my Starlink. Got the two switches here, one for inside, one for outside, and another outlet right there. So this EcoFlow Pro, it has a 30 amp outlet right there. So I'm gonna get a 30 amp plug and just put this wire in there. Take this wire out, put it in a 30 amp plug, because this is 15 amps. So I'm put it in 30 amp plug. Just do the same thing. It's gonna run into the box and out to your switches and outlets. So it's a very simple setup when you have a device like this, which is an EcoFlow. Other companies make something like this, an all-in-one system, but I've been using the EcoFlow since I had the small one, the EcoFlow 1300 watt, and now this is a 3600 watt EcoFlow Pro, and I think they have a new model out, but this one was on sale. I got this refurbished on so this one is working pretty good for me right now. The only thing I'm gonna do is, like I said, hook it up to the 30 amp outlet so I could get more wattage out. Right now, let me show you, it's charging. The sun is out, it's charging. I'm getting over 1,000 watts in. I'm only using 70 watts. It said it'll be charged in 2 hours. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. No, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. So by 11:30, it'll be fully charged. So, and that'll been consistent. It's been charging before 12 o'clock every day. Yeah, around 11:30, 12 every day. This unit is fully charged, and then I'm just running off the sun. I normally have a refrigerator connected to it, the fan, lights, and other devices that I charge up in the daytime, and it works pretty well. I have no problem at all. So let me show you again my panel. Like I said, I have I got four 550 watt solar panels, and they're doing good so far. My sun comes across the hill right there. Now it's right there, and then it goes over and it goes down over there, so I get full sun all day. So if you can set your panels where you're getting quality sun all day, it'll be good. I had a tree right here. I had to cut it down because it was shading the panels too much, so I cut that down, and now it's giving me good voltage, good wattage, good charge all day long. Yeah, so this is me in Jamaica, fully 100% off grid in my little tiny solar cabin, and it's been working out so far so fine. The only thing I would say I would need in the future is more storage, because it charges by 11, 12 o'clock every day. Like if I had more storage, I could, store that energy and be doing more stuff here on the eco farm. Listen to the birds chirping. I'm making a little building over here with a solar room also. So this little eco farm is coming along pretty nice. So stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more quality content. I just actually came out those planting walks, and I got some planting and bananas in here. Yeah, just need to show you guys that. So it's a nice eco farm. Always got stuff growing. Got a lot of fruit trees planted up. So just stay tuned. I'll show you more solar stuff as I upgrade my solar equipment here on the eco farm. All right, peace. I'm out.